So snapping can be a useful tool. With the snapping toolbar, we're able to snap one polygon to a line or a line to another line and all sorts of different things. And once again, when we're doing this, we might want to set up a snap tolerance or a distance away from a line in which the line will be, a new line will be snapped to that line. And you can also do all those sorts of settings. But snapping is not always what we need to use in order to, for example, create adjacent polygons where in the end they're going to have one coincident boundary. This boundary here is going to be the boundary between those two different polygons. If you're interested in creating two polygons, this is kind of a good workflow to go through. So first, you would change to autocomplete polygon construction tool so that these polygons are completed. You would draw one of these polygons by clicking on all of these vertices here, and then you would start the second polygon next to it. What you would want to do is you would want to start your first point for that second polygon inside the existing polygon that is already there, and then you would want to cross over that coincident boundary right at the edge of where those two come together. Then you would draw the rest of this, and once again you would cross over exactly where that ends, and then your last vertice would be inside of that existing polygon. And then with this autocomplete polygon construction tool, it would actually know that you want to start and end this polygon at the edge of this other polygon, and it would put that on as a second polygon, and this would be the coincident boundary in between them. The topology would automatically be built. However, what if you have more than one different polygon? So this kind of shows that same process where we build one polygon next to another polygon with the autocomplete polygon tool. But what if for the next one we start here, we cross over here, we put in all of these vertices, and we end up in the polygon next to it? This is not going to complete another polygon because this polygon would have to end inside of this. These points that you digitize here would have to end inside of the same polygon where you started. So this would not be a good example of when to use the autocomplete polygon tool, and you would probably just want to snap right to the edges of these two different polygons if you were trying to digitize a third polygon that looked like this.